Well, we're back at it again. Yeah, I'll let us know about this new mic. It should be better. Better audio, but as promised, got the rocker cover gasket, got spark plugs, all ready to go. So before we do anything, it's gonna have to be a brew, so I'm going for one of them once the door opens. Brew acquired. Read. I know it. I'm gonna have to put some weight on this because it'll blow away. Yeah, it's already starting to blow away. It'll be the first time since I've started it since we've done the belt and took it for that little drive, so I hope it starts. Right, here we go. It's made that funny noise again, you know. I'm worried about this automatic gearbox. Anyway, I'll move it, but I don't know where I need to go. Gonna have to sort this door out and all, like, I'm getting sick of the door. I wouldn't normally pull it in, but it's a bit windy today, so I want to get a bit sheltered. Anyways, yeah, we're gone. Right, I'll do. So I showed here. Oh, it's not too bad at the minute, but it was when I took it for that drive. But it's coming all the way down the side of the engine block and down the front a bit now. Oh, it doesn't look that bad now. It's definitely, you can see the residue on there, and it's coming all the way down and further, so it's gonna have to be done. There's the belt sticker, by the way, which we put on after we're done. Alright, here we go. Oh, it doesn't snap. Well, as you can see here, I'm just about to jinx myself, because guess what? I go and only snap one of the breather pipes, which is just perfect. Well, there you go. First casualty. Oh, for God's sake. I'll have to try and repair that. Don't know where I'll get one of them from. Oh well. Well, we got on with removing the rest of what I think are the PCV lines, and we got on to removing the coil pack. Oh, it's not going well. Oh, you're joking? There's another fucking nut underneath it. I'll have to find that. Just what I needed. Now a drop bolt. I've had a snap pipe and a drop bolt. What I can't find. This job's just really going well. So I can see if that plate comes with it or not. Oh, of course it's glued on. Wow, come on, man. Need a mallet or something like that. Knock this a bit. Here it goes. Oh, it's not coming this side. It has. Right, it's off. Oh, but it's back on that side. I'll show you the two little spacers. Cause it's come with. It's come with. I need to get my hand under. Okay, so this is them here. And what happens is these like to drop off and then go inside your engine. I think it has been leaking, you can see at the front, can't you? Yeah. But look at this, look at in the top. How bad it is. That's horrible, that. Right, so now it's just as simple as removing the old gasket as shown here from the old rocker cover gasket, cleaning down the engine block and refitting it all back together. it go this way? Just out of curiosity, I'll flip it upside down. And this is exactly the point where which this idiot forgot which way this plate went, so he had to resort to the one thing that helps out all the time, and that is the internet. Tunes. Oh, it doesn't even show us which way the plate goes. Right, I've got it the right way, right? Why does it allow you to put this a different way? It's so stupid. After this idiot figured out which way the plate went, which he had the right way by the way, it was time to reassemble all the engine and put it back together. See if this will work on this. Oh, it'll fit on like. Oh, I'm gonna do a naughty here, you know. Bit of that in there. Oh, sorted. I know what I'm doing. I'm gonna bodge it. Basically here I found a solution to the broken snap plastic pipe for the breather system that I broke. What I'm going to do is I've got this thick heavy duty fuel line that I haven't used yet. I'm going to put a bit of that between the snap pieces and joint it together and hope for the best. I'm now about to remove the existing spark plugs in the engine and replace them for some brand new ones. Let's have a look at these plugs. Compare it to the new one. They're not that bad at it. Oh dear, they might be the originals. Right, let's get out there. I'm not sure. You have to tell me. I'm just assuming with France wrote on it. It's probably original. It's a bit worn, but it's not too bad. I slotted in the brand new 4 spark plugs and refitted the coil pack. I just don't think it should float around like that, but it is. It's touching the bottom here, so I don't know, must be right. Later on we are going to realise that this coil pack should not be floating about and it is not normal and we actually have an incorrect part, but you'll have to wait to see what happens. Right, I've got the nut on. Long story, went to get in the car and lo and behold, the battery's dead in the Volvo, so that was fantastic. But right, we'll give it a start and see what happens. Okay, so I'm gonna start it, but I'm gonna let it tick over for just a little bit, just to make sure it's working properly. Right, I need to find the key, don't know where it is. Where have I put the key? It's in the ignition. That's in the car. Alright, let's see it starts up. Well, P's oil all over. It's not running that smooth. It's trying to misfire, I think. The good news is it's not leaking oil as of yet. I think it's misfiring, but can't really tell. See, look at it. It's not leaking though. Right, so took the coil pack out, took that off, and I've put the old spark plugs in. They are slightly different, but they're very similar, like, so I'm hoping that solves the misfire. If not, we're gonna be, it could be anything. It could be that pipe, it could be the coil pack. It's gonna send us on a bloody chase in it, but give it a start. That's better. I can't get anywhere in this garage site. No misfire. Wrong spark plugs. I can't believe that, man. Well, the old ones can stay in. They looked alright anyway. Oh, gonna have to take it for a drive now. I'll let it idle for a bit. Yeah, it's lovely now, that. Can't believe that, man. Right, gonna have to go for a drive. Right, here we're going. First drive. What's my heaters on? Oh, the way. It's nice and warm in here. Can't remember how much I used to like an automatic. It's just much smoother. You know what it is? It's not that slow, you know. You think it's slow, but it's a little bit nippy. Do you know what I'm going to do? Another lap. Get in. I miss driving this, you know. It is so comfy. The seats are just, I don't know what it is. The seats are just get comfy. It's actually more comfortable than the Volvo. Sorry, I'm not saying much. I'm just actually quite enjoying my little drive in this, because it's been quite a while since I've been driving it. It's just nice being an automatic again, actually, believe it or not. I do like manual. Manual is obviously the way forward, but it's just nice. It's calm, it's smooth, it's a leisurely drive. Anyway, I'll take it back now. It's a nice little car, this. Something vibrating in the back. I think it's shopping. Have a look. Ah, it's just shopping. I need to get that door fixed, like. Anyways, that was my video on changing the, well, we didn't do the spark plugs because they were the wrong ones, but oh well, we tried at least. Rocker cover gasket's done. It's not leaking, which is brilliant. So it's not having much else. It's not misfiring or nothing like that. Temperature's coming up quite nicely. It's bobbing about a bit, but this car's quite analog, so can't really blame it that much. But it's working great. I'm quite happy with it now. I think it's ready for a nice road trip, I think. So I need some fuel, actually. I should probably put some fuel in it. But anyways, I'm not sure what we're going to be doing next time, because I think this will be coming out after a video which I have planned, which I'll be filming tomorrow on a certain Peugeot, hopefully, but we'll see if that happens or not. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, please. Thank you. It's very important. I'm trying to grow the channel if possible, but you know, at a minute we're just doing it for fun. and sharing what we're doing on our cars. So yeah, thanks.